Hello, this is Skylar, and we are working on code violations today. Let's take a look at this. We're inside the 2-day blueprint. We're in the lead generation tab right here, and we are looking at code violations, as you can see. Here's a video. Here's your email templates. This is the definition of a code violation and how to find them. So, we will start today with Weber County, and we are going to call the county clerk, ask for the code violation list and who we need to email to request that. So let's do that now. With regarding code violations and requesting a list of recent code violations.
For a city, for a house?
For the entire city, for the last 6 months.
For Ogden City?
Ogden City.
Let me find out for you. Hold on one moment.
Thank you.
Message after the tone. When you've finished, you can hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hello, my name is Skylar. My phone number is 801-899-3767. Again, Skylar, 801-899-3767. I was wondering who I would contact regarding a code violation list for the past 6 months for Ogden City or Weber County, but I assume this is for Ogden City only. So if I could get that information of who to email or what I need to do to get that information, I would appreciate it. Thanks so much, and I look forward to your phone call. And here we go. We got a hold of Tracy Hansen down at the city recorder's office for Ogden. So now we have the records request for Ogden City. So we'll just need to go through the rest of our target cities and request this same code violation list from every city. We need to do this, I would say, quarterly at the latest. If not, let's do it monthly so we can be on top of the game and ahead of everyone else. I think we can do this, and it took me literally 5 minutes to record the video, make the phone call, and get the request. So this is definitely an easy task, and you should be able to kill it. Thanks so much.